Welcome, thank you for coming. In addition to the audience here, we also have an audience online. We're broadcasting through the internet to all the membership in the Gulf Coast section, as well as the Southeast section of A Squared. So this is a first for A Squared and also for SRRC. So very pleased with that. The membership had indicated that such meetings and events and ways of communicating were very desirable, and this is A Squared's way of responding to the membership.
So I'm going to keep it very brief. I just thought, we all thought it'd be a good idea to give you a sort of a flavor of what the whole program, the many programs here at SRC, and kind of give you a perspective of how the cotton research fits in with that. We're actually one of 4 centers around the country. Many of you probably already know this, but here we are in New Orleans, then there's Wynmore, Pennsylvania, in Peoria, and in Albany, California. The missions of these labs are all very similar. The aim of the laboratories is to develop new and improved uses for American farm products by providing industry with the basic data and technical know-how for turning crops into manufactured goods. To give you some idea how much of our program is in cotton, 38% relative to the other food safety, utilization, quality type research programs. So cotton dominates. This also Dr. Ruth Benarito, who recently passed away. I think she was in her mid-90s when she passed away, just recently. But she was key. She's an award-winning researcher for the development of chemistry that led to permanent press cotton fabrics.
Good morning, everybody. First, I'd like to thank Mike and the folks here at USDA and AATCC for coordinating and hosting this event. I really do delight in the opportunity to share some of our new developments and product research. Basically, we'll replace the need for sandblasting and stone washing and acid washing. It's done all by laser, where it just basically etches off the very top layers of those indigo dyed yarns to expose a bit of the white beneath, just like you would expect in a sandblasting or stone washing process, and create much the same effect, only in a much more ecologically friendly way. In the garments through a variety of different home laundering conditions, they would be contained in these vessels, and you can see here this poor unfortunate soul has to sniff through them all. Now remember, a lot of these garments have been worn, have been worked out in, so I mean, this is not the most pleasant line of work in the world, but I guess somebody has to do it. So, and as you can see here, as far as the subjective analysis is concerned, that both for unwashed and washed samples, as we were expecting and hoped, cotton fabrics did prove to rate significantly lower for odor intensity throughout these subjective sensory analysis procedures that we ran.
We all know that we are all moving towards a future that will be sustainable, that has to be sustainable. We are 7 billion and counting on this planet. So the future innovation depends on sustainability, and what I'm going to talk about are the different approaches that one can take towards attaining this goal. It was a grant from the EPA, and it involved, again, sustainable design for smart performance textiles and apparel. And the idea was to harvest solar energy to power UV-resistant natural fiber textiles.
Thank you.